Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, we're going to show you how to save a picture on Snapchat without the other person knowing. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like these. First, open your Snapchat app. Now, go to Chats. From here, select the chat that you want to take a picture of. Now, select the picture that you want to save and then put your phone on airplane mode. After that, tap on Save to Camera Roll. As you can see, there's a notification that the picture has been saved. So in order to fix that, get out of your Snapchat app and then uninstall your app. Now just confirm the uninstallation. Once it's done, restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, turn off your airplane mode. After that, open your Play Store app. Then, search and go to Snapchat. From here, tap on Snapchat and download the app again. And it's done. Now the notification won't be there anymore. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to get notified for new videos. We are dropping new videos every day to help all of you.